Today on the menu, we're making a sunrise crescent roll casserole. Start by browning some sausage in a pan. Halfway through, add some onion and sauté it with the sausage. Now it is time for our egg base. Add your eggs to a large bowl. Then add some sour cream and some cream cheese. Mix this well till you get rid of all the clumps. Add some cheddar cheese, and then your sausage. After we mix this up, it is our opportunity to add other ingredients. I'm only adding green onion, but you could add tomatoes, mushrooms, or peppers. Transfer your mixture to a glass pan. In an oven preheated to 350, bake this for 25 to 30 minutes. You don't want it fully cooked, just firm enough to add your last ingredients. Coat with some cheddar cheese, and then cover with a Pillsbury crescent roll sheet. Bake this for 25 to 30 more minutes or until golden brown. Still hungry? Check out my Puff-tastic taco casserole.